Hey guys, in this video and in this session, we're going to talk about the latest immigration news. So come on in, comment below, let me know who's watching, give me some likes and heart. If you're watching on Facebook, give me some heart. If you're watching on YouTube, comment below and like this video. Also share this video with your feed on social media if you're catching this on social media. The latest immigration news, guys. There's a number of things I want to share with you in this one, including the Republican plan for immigration as they are focusing on the November elections because they want to take over the House. They want to take over the House this fall. Number two, we're going to talk about some good news involving public charge. And then we're also going to talk about USCIS's recent announcement about who can file for adjustment of status at this time. Okay. So I'm going to share some numbers with you to let you know who the government says can go ahead and file their application for the green card. So as you're coming on board, again, say hello. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients all over the world on complex immigration matters. At McBean Law, we've helped thousands of clients, guys, thousands of people. So contact us to discuss your immigration case to see how we might be able to assist you. We can be reached at 516-866-3900 or at McBeanLaw.com, where you can request to have a meeting with an attorney about your case. Follow me, friends, on Facebook. These days on Facebook, I'm doing live sessions about complex immigration issues and providing a lot of tips through those live sessions. Follow me at McBean Law on Facebook. And then lastly, guys, subscribe to our firm's newsletter. Each week we send out a couple of terrific newsletters about Q&As, answering your questions, also immigration news and some other good news. Go to McBeanLaw.com where you can subscribe to our firm's weekly newsletter. Again, as you're coming on board, say hello and where you're watching me from. Now let's talk about the latest immigration news, guys. I'm going to share my screen with you and talk about, firstly, what is going on with the Republicans, okay? Because the Republicans are gearing up to take over the House. They are gearing up to take over the House because, the Biden administration, they are struggling. They are really, really struggling right now. And so the Republicans are planning to go very strong and hard over the next couple of months with their campaigning. And they've put together a plan. It's a 4-part plan called Commitment to America. And House Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy is the one that's leading the charge with this plan. And it covers a number of issues, including issues around the economy, crime, immigration, and education and health, okay, and a number of other issues that they are focusing on in this plan. And the idea is to give this plan to their members so that they could all have a consistent message as they're campaigning going into the November elections. So we're going to take a look at what this plan has to say about immigration. What are they thinking? We know that Republicans traditionally, friends, Republicans focus in on the border. As you guys know, we have a migrant crisis underway at this time, and some of those migrants are being bused to cities like New York, Washington D.C., Chicago. Okay, and you may have been following those events in the news, but now under this plan and this flyer that they've put out here called the Republican Commitment to a Nation That's Safe, focuses primarily on immigration. Okay. And the first goal that they have under this plan is to combat illegal immigration by requiring proof of legal status when applying for a job. Okay. So they want to crack down on an individual's ability to work while they're here without papers. So they want to require proof of legal status when applying for a job and restricting welfare benefits that incentivize illegal immigration. The second big thing that they have on this flyer is to confront the national security crisis at the border by ending catch and release. Okay, they want folks to remain detained during the time that their immigration case is pending. So they want to end catch and release. Thirdly, they want to require remain in Mexico. They want that policy and allow Title 42 authority to be used to confront the public health emergency created by the fentanyl crisis, the drug crisis. So they want remain in Mexico back. And then the fourth big initiative or push is to finish building the wall, fully fund ICE and Border Patrol, and deploy technology to stop the humanitarian crisis at the border. And then they go on about some other things involving crime and drugs and defending our national security. But the plan, the part of the plan that I think may impact real people here in the U.S. is obviously requiring proof of legal status when applying for a job. That one is pretty significant there for those who are here in the United States. Okay, so that's what the Republicans, guys, are planning and gearing up for as they go right into the November elections. So we're going to watch carefully to see what's going on that front. Now let's talk about public charge. Oh my goodness, I have not touched on public charge in ages. Okay, so we're going to talk about public charge in this one at DHS. Well, first of all, guys, as you know, the Biden administration came in and they were very much committed to rolling back public charge, which was which had always been on the books. And many of you may have heard me talk about public charge in the past. I've talked a lot about it when it was a very, very hot issue, when President Trump had made the public charge rules very, 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 very difficult for people. And now the Biden administration has kept their promise to roll it back. And so they issued a final rule to rescind the public charge policy that President Trump had in place. And that, in fact, when the Biden administration came into office last year, they immediately announced that they're not going to follow that new policy. But then it took some time to write the rule and the justification for why this should be rolled back. And the final rule will go into effect on December 23rd. Okay, so that's really great news regarding public charge. Now, let's talk about adjustment of status, when to file adjustment of status. Adjustment of status is a process that allows individuals who are here inside the United States to apply for a green card right here without having to go back home for a visa. And so regarding public charge, guys, regarding adjustment of status, guys, it's very complex. People who have been here in the United States for many years, who have overstayed their visa, or those who entered unlawfully without inspection, you're not eligible to adjust your status, generally speaking. You're not eligible. However, if you become an immediate relative of a US citizen and you can prove that you have lawful admission into the United States, then you are eligible for adjustment of status. So now let me share the document with you that the USCIS has issued. And my apologies, guys, the text is going to appear very small on your end. So you may have to zoom in, okay? And let me get this off the screen so that you could see the chart carefully. Now, this is the October. So let me go further, but let me back up a little bit more and explain to you how this works. The ability to file for adjustment of status, guys, when you're here in the United States, it is also determined by your priority date. If you're not an immediate relative of a US citizen, you have to wait until your priority date becomes current in order to apply for adjustment of status. And for some people in the family preference system, they have to wait several years or even longer before being eligible to file for adjustment of status. If you have an employment-based process, like you likewise will need to wait until your priority date becomes current in order for you to apply for adjustment of status. Now, on this chart, for October, it tells us that, and this first chart is the family-based chart, categories F1 through F4. F1, if you're in that category of a son or daughter of a U.S. citizen, an adult son or daughter of a U.S. citizen, you cannot apply for adjustment of status unless your priority date is earlier than August 2016. Okay, August 2016. That's what they're up to right now. All right. So you must have filed the I-130 before August 2016 in order to now be eligible, okay, to adjust your status. If you're in the F2A category, which is the category for spouse of a green card holder and children under 21 and unmarried of a green card holder, if you're in that category, you can file for adjustment of status right away because it is current, and it's current across all countries. And by the way, under F1 category, the date that I just shared with you is the date for all countries except China, India, Mexico, and Philippines. Each of those countries obviously have their own date, although China and India are on the same schedule, but Mexico and Philippines, the wait time is longer. If you're in the F2B category, and that's the category for children, adult children of green card holders, January 2017 is the date that the government is up to. So if you had filed before this date, you are now eligible to file for adjustment of status, provided that you're eligible for it. You meet all of the other requirements for adjustment of status. And then F3 category is married sons and daughters of US citizens. For most countries, November 2009 is what the government is up to. And then the F4 category, which is the sibling category, it's December 2007. So for most countries, again, look at China, India, Mexico, and Philippines, the dates are different. Okay. Now, if we go down to the employment-based categories, EB1 through EB5, you will see that for most categories, it's current. You see C. C means current. It's current, meaning that you can apply for adjustment of status right away. But China, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, India, Mexico, and Philippines, you're on a different, not slightly. For some of you, it's a very significant difference. You're waiting much, much longer, particularly if you are from India, okay? Your wait time is extremely long. And so it's for EB2, we're talking about May 1st, 2012, EB3, July 2012. It's awful, right? Such a long wait. So follow this chart. Don't file for adjustment of status too early. Guys, don't waste your money by sending the government filing fees for adjustment of status if you're not eligible for it. And also if your priority date is not current based on the numbers that I've just shared with you. It's very complicated if you've been here for many years and you're waiting to apply for adjustment of status and you go out of status, if you go out of status, you will not be able to apply for adjustment of status for most people. There are some exceptions, but for most people, the answer would be no. So work with an attorney, contact us to talk about whether you're eligible for adjustment of status or not. We'd be happy to have that discussion with you. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. This is a little longer than I wanted it to be, but I hope you found it helpful. Reach out to us at McBean Law at 516-866-3900, Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 p.m. Eastern, or at McBeanLaw.com at any hour of the day. It was great being with you in this one. Share it with others. And guys, I will see you soon.